We ready to make this pig go fast?
Yeah, buddy. We've got a pile of metal that's going to turn into a turbo kit.
Ooh wee!
Alright, so now that we got the front bumper off, kind of show you where I plan on putting the turbos. I'd like to get them set somewhere in here, in this range, kind of tucked up in the fender. And then have room for the intercooler up front. The radiator is going to have to slide over towards the middle. And then same thing, just have this one come out and have the turbo sitting over in here somewhere.
No expert here, but you might be missing some wires all around here.
I think so.
Yeah?
Just a couple though.
Alright, we ready. That'll be the smoothest cut we have on any of our pipes anywhere. Alright, check it out. Getting there. Halfway there at least. I just need to make the pie cuts to make the U-bend, kick it over and back up to the turbo. And that is done. We'll just go ahead and run it that way. No wastegates, fuck all that. Forget all that stuff. We don't need those where we're going, right? Yeah, it'll actually look halfway decent for once for one of our projects. Just ignore that. It doesn't exist, and neither do those crappy welds. We'll wrap that up anyways. Bad welds can't be bad if you hide the welds right. Next up, pie cuts. Everybody's favorite. So we're going to make a couple 90s out of these. So 4 make 90. We'll tack those up, put them underneath there, and then we'll go ahead and measure over to get this pipe underneath this pipe, and then come right back up with another 90. Why didn't we just order U pipe? Okay, let's get it going.
So much easier. I can't even like describe how much easier this is to use.
Yeah. Better than cheap Harbor Freight piece of sheet.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good penetration. You see it all the way through.
For somebody that's never welded.
Yeah. Gotta learn somehow. Make sure you clock that right. Okay.
The haters will say I should be wearing gloves.
Let them hate.
What about the Crocs? Is this a proper welding attire?
You got them in nope, kick them in 4-wheel drive and then we're good to go. 4-wheel low.
Doesn't matter which side.
No, I think those are OSHA approved shorts though. Yeah, it doesn't matter. This ain't SEMA.
What?
This ain't SEMA.
Could be.
Alright, so he said it's a little too hot. He wants to grab his mittens to put it on.
So now we gotta make a couple more 90s?
Yep, a couple more 90s. I don't know if we got enough pie cut there, but we can make more. This shady operation we got going on here. Everything else is going to be pitched. How nicely that fits together now. Yep, that was what I'd say. Do exactly that.
Just tack these, or?
Yeah, we're just gonna tack everything because then we'll just burn it all in at once.
Let's see how this works with the helmet that's turned on.
I mean, I don't even know why you're wearing a helmet. You got squints. Semi-professional tool set here.
It's a little toasty.
Yeah, I wonder why that is. Yeah, I wonder how we could stop those from burning your hands. Yep, no idea. Guess we will never know. There we go. That actually looks good.
Cow magnets.
Moo.
Is that what we're talking about for tack?
Yep, just a tack. Tit for tack. Might want to add that grounding clamp.
I feel like I'm missing something.
Ah, no, it's wireless. It's that Wi-Fi grounding clamp. Good deal. New gear, everybody. New gear. That freedom. Cow. How much was that welder free?
It was pretty cheap.
Yeah, not bad though. Does the job. Cheaper than mine, so. Dun dun dun. Sounds good. Crackling bacon. What we got for size?
Right there is about 4 3/8.
4 3/8.
We've got
half an inch.
in this,
I was wondering what that was.
because we got this and that.
Well, we'll have the gasket too.
Yeah.
Yep. When you take it off, you can weld it in, and bingo, bango, bongo.
Alright guys, there it is. Hot side is all mocked up. So all the pipe we got donated to us. So we have basically no money into the piping. So it's not going to be the forever pipe. We'll end up redoing it at some point, but for now this gets us going and gets everything kind of set up. We got brackets welded up to hold the turbo. One on each side there. We got a bar to kind of triangulate it, so that way we don't have to worry about the weight of these things. So next steps, we got to get the wastegates installed. We think we're gonna put them somewhere down here on the bottoms. Then we got to get the oil feed and drain lines ran, and then we can start working on the cold side. And we got the Holley terminator that we'll install, and then we can start recording on the startup. We will have a video just on the terminator install as well, so stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm going to end this video off here on the hot side build. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification so you get updates on the rest of the Foxbody build. Next will be the Holley terminator install, and then followed by the rest of the turbo kit build. Don't forget to check us out on our other social medias. We got Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and then we also have our podcast, which can be found on Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, or Spotify. That is 815 LSx Talk. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next upload.